What's up, Green Rhino Project, Green Rhino Academy, and Green Rhino Academy Facebook group. Check it out, guys. Something really important I want to talk about. I've been doing a lot of these type of videos, by the way, and I've been getting some decent views on it, so I'm gonna keep doing them. Let me know below if you like this type of content. It's purely education, right? Talking about things that, I don't have time to talk about when I'm actually cleaning. I'm showing you the process. I got hundreds of videos for that, guys, so you can see that. But this one's really important, and I think I need to talk about it. I know when we're all starting out, we're starting out with a budget, and it's limited most of the time. So we're getting the tools we need to get started, and that's all good. That's all good. Do what you got to do to get professional results, right? Even if the tools that you're using are not really too professional or professional looking. The key is to start making money and reinvesting in your business. So one thing in general, and I see it a lot on YouTube, and I know a lot of carpet cleaners use carpet cleaning companies use this tool, this vacuum, and it works well. I don't like it because of how narrow it is versus my Pro Team vacuum. But the main reason why I don't use a Shark vacuum or any vacuum you can get at a big box store, if you walk into a customer's home and you have the same vacuum as them, except on rare occasions, I don't think it's a good look. My whole presentation is professional, okay? And professional vacuum, professional everything. Things that they can't get, right? It just makes you look more professional. It comes across better, right? I don't like the look of a Shark vacuum in a customer's home. It may work fine, pulls out a lot of, it's impressive how the canister gets real full. And people automatically think that it works so good because you see the canister getting so full, but it's not really the case, guys. Bags last a long time. They don't last one vacuum, okay? I'll change out a bag maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks, because it condenses more in bags. So, but that's not my whole point. A lot of people don't use bagged vacuum because they think that. Okay. So Pro Team is awesome. It's wide, so you can get a lot more done. It looks impressive. It looks professional. Customer don't have it, or any other type of professional vacuum would do just fine. Not just Pro Team. That's just what I use. But I kind of, just a little advice for you guys. If you're using those still, I get it. People don't want to spend $500 on a vacuum when you can go down to Walmart and get one for $150. I get it. But our whole goal is to retain our customers, right? Turn them into repeat customers, and which is going to make you a lot more money in the long run. Okay. So, but what are you guys using? And what do you think about what I just told you? You can't disagree with me because it's facts, all right? It's facts. So, yeah, this is kind of a little bit of stuff that I talk about in my course. Also, I my training. I don't like to call it course, training. Green Rhino Academy. Link below all my videos. Stuff that other channels are not talking about, or other educational platforms are not talking about. And a lot of people don't want to talk about it. You know why? Because they don't want to create competition. And guys, I realize that I don't think anybody in my town, maybe one, would are viewing my content. I have had people locally, though, within my county, contact me, say they watch my YouTube stuff and ask me for advice and stuff like that, which is crazy. Small world. But I have people from, you know, my county to other countries, you know? So I'm not worried about that, right? So what I try to do as a carpet cleaning company is just kind of no shortcuts, you know, kind of present a professional and everything as far as collared shirts, you know, just clean, right? No board shorts or anything like that, you know, just kind of a uniform type of appearance goes a long ways too. Clean van, organized, you know, professional equipment, well taken care of professional equipment, like wipe them down, you know, no, don't make them, you know, sometimes my vacuum will start looking dirty and I'm, oh man, I gotta wipe that down. So yeah, this is just another tip for the Green Rhino project, and I appreciate everybody who's been watching my channel for years and years and years and supporting it. I keep doing it. This channel doesn't make me a lot of money at all, but it helps people, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. All right.